Hi and welcome to Real Binary Options Reviews. Now in this video we're going to take a look at the directional movement indicator and how we can use it with binary options trading. Now if you watched the previous video in which we talked about the stochastic indicator, about the RSI and about Bollinger Bands, you could also see an example of a trading strategy that is used in ranged markets. So in this case here you can see we are now in a trending market, and if we would trade based on the stochastic strategy or based on the RSI, we would make some losing trades, because at the positions where the stochastic is above the green line we would be entering the trades down, but as you can see the trend is continuing upwards. So now we will see how the directional movement indicator can help us avoid these bad trades. So I'm going to add the indicator to the euro-dollar currency pair. So it's here, directional movement, and you can see basically the indicator are these two lines. One is a green line and one is a red line. And how this works, basically if the green line is above the red line, it means that we are in an uptrend. So the buyers are stronger than the sellers and the price is moving up. If we take a look at another situation, now here you can see the lines are very close together, and in this case it is good to trade the already mentioned stochastic strategy because here we are in the ranged market. So here you can see the chart is going down and the red curve is above the green one, so it means we are in a downtrend. So in this case we are not entering positions up based on the stochastic or the RSI. So this would be the simple use of the directional movement indicator. And I can also tell you, let's say when you are having a period of a strong trend, once these two lines are going to cross, there is a potential for the price to go into the range market, or it is a potential to go down. So these are also another opportunities that can be derived from the directional movement indicator, and you can use this information to make profitable trades. Now this would cover the directional movement indicator. Of course, I have to tell you that, let's say on the 5-minute chart, the trends are much more transparent, and when you see the strong movement of, let's say, a green line like it happened here, you can indicate that the trend has developed. And as you can see here, let's say this is the position where on the 5-minute chart where we had an upwards trend. This green line is telling us we are in a trend, and once these two lines cross, then we are coming into more ranging market, and the price is moving in a more of a neutral zone. So it's not trending. And once this happens, we can enter and trade with the stochastic or Bollinger Band strategy and so on. As you can see, all these positions are good to trade with strategies that are used on the ranging markets. So here we are in the trending market, and let's see if we can make use of the directional movement indicator. So here we are in the trending market, and it is not advised to trade strategies that are used in ranging markets when we are having trends. There are many other strategies that can be used with trend trading, and I can show you maybe an example. We can see here we had an upwards trend development, and now we are getting two consecutive red candles, so the price is dropping. It's going opposite the direction of the trend. So this would be a good position to trade euro-dollar up with, let's say, 10 or 15-minute expiry. So I'm going to make one trade just to show you how this works. And again, just to explain you, so we are having an upwards trend and we are seeing a drop that is going against the trend. So now I'm trading up. Basically, I'm trading with the trend. So I'm going to open my trading platform, and I'm going to trade this on the OptionBit trading platform, which is also one of the very good trading platforms. I like to use it because it gives the highest payouts for the turbo options. This means these are options with 60 seconds, 2 minutes, and 5-minute expiries. And I like to trade, let's say, 5-minute expiries with certain strategies. But in this case, I'm going to make a up-down trade. So, as we said, we're going to trade euro-dollar. To go up, and the option will close at the 5 and 30 minutes. So I'm just going to enter my trade on this position. I think that the price is low enough, and I'm going to enter 50 euro per this trade. And we can also see what this means on the 1-minute chart. So we are in the uptrend, and we are having stochastic below the red line, below the level 20. And basically this is enough of the indicators for me, because we are in the upwards trend movement to trade up. So I just have to be fast. I don't want to miss this entry position. So I'm going to invest 50 euro, and I made a trade. So on the OptionBit, you can see my return for the 50 euro investment would be 90 euro if the trade will be successful. So here you can see the chart. You also have some trading tools. You can close your trade early, you can double it up, or you can extend the time for the expiry, which is a very good option. So if you want more information about OptionBit Broker, please check the information on my website. And I'm going to fast forward this, and we're going to see what is going to happen with this trade. I'm going to change this back to the 5-minute chart, and we will see if the price will go up or down. Now there is still a possibility for the price to go down, because you see even on the 5-minute chart the stochastic was high and the RSI was above the level 70. So if this trend stops, then we're going to see a price drop. But here I'm trading with the trend based on the directional movement indicator. So this is a different strategy, and this is why I'm trading up. I'm going to fast forward this now, and we will see the result. So you can see we are just having a small green candle, but this is enough for a successful trade if this candle stays in the green. And you can see my option will expire in the next 15 seconds. So I'm going to open the chart. Let's see what's happening in the chart here. So here you are seeing I'm getting the return of 90 euro for this trade, and it should show on my account balance. So you can see my account balance just updated, and the profit was added to my account. So this is just a simple demonstration of directional movement indicator, and as you can see here, the price is still continuing to go down. But in many cases, in this situation, it would go up. And to get the best feeling how this works, you can read the description of this video. I have a link there that will take you to free stock charts, and you can see how the directional movement indicator works. You can see by yourself. So thank you for watching this video. And if you need more information about binary options trading, about profitable strategies, about the use of the different indicators, about signals and other trading systems, please visit www.realbinaryoptionsreviews.com. So thank you for watching this video, and we will see us in the next session.